Before we get started, I want to go over some assumptions about the background knowledge that will help you get the most out of this course, as well as some other concepts that would be helpful but not necessarily required. First, it'll be helpful if you have some working knowledge with Python. There won't be anything too complex, but I won't be covering the most basic concepts. So it'll be helpful if you broadly understand how it works and some of the basic syntax. Beyond that, it would be helpful if you have some experience with the NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn libraries, as we'll be relying on each of those fairly heavily throughout this course. Now, if you have some experience with statistics, that will be helpful, but it's not absolutely necessary. Some experience handling data and doing some basic data analysis or data manipulation would also be helpful, but again, not required. Lastly, having some familiarity with some of the key concepts in machine learning will be helpful as well. If you don't have any experience with machine learning, don't worry, we will be covering the basics so you won't be left behind.